guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jessica, and I'm going to do an unboxing of some of the press boxes that I have got in the mail in the last week. It's been a really good week for blogger mail. If you want to watch what I got in the mail this week, stay tuned. Before we get started, I just want to say thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed to me lately. My channel has grown quite a bit in the last couple weeks, and I'm so excited about that. So if you guys are returning subscribers, hello, welcome back. I'm so glad to see you. Thank you for joining me here. If you are new, welcome. So glad you're here as well. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button because I upload new videos every Monday, and also I'm trying out Thursdays as well. So you usually get 2 videos a week from me, and I do everything from beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and travel, but all on a budget. So if those are the things that you are into, hit that subscribe button. All right, so a little bit about me and why I get press boxes, because I know as of right now I have a little bit over 500 followers here on YouTube, but actually I have been a fashion and lifestyle blogger for about 6 years now. So if you're not following me on Instagram, now I'm gonna plug that, because my Instagram is where I am pretty much every day. I'm on stories, I post daily style inspo. So if you guys want to connect with me more, please go to my Instagram, whichever side I put it on, and follow me there, and make sure to leave me a comment and let me know that you found me from YouTube, and I would love to see you over there as well. But yes, that is why I have all this stuff sent to me, because I work with a lot of brands over on my Instagram and my blog, which I'll link down below. I do get a lot of fun mail on a weekly basis. I am going to be giving away one of these press boxes. I'm not going to say which one, so you guys are going to have to watch the whole video because I'm going to throw it somewhere in the middle. I'll let you know which one I'm going to be giving away and how you can win it and the rules for the giveaway. So you got to watch the whole video to find it. Okay, well, let's just go ahead and jump right in. I'm going to start with a couple, the stack that we're dealing with here. I'm going to open these first. These are both from the same jewelry company. They send me some goodies here and there. Where are my scissors when I need them? So they send me some goodies every so often. They're jewelry to basically and write honest reviews on their site. So they have 2 that they sent me. So the first one, oh my God, I literally ordered this. I picked this yesterday. Already here. How is that possible? This is a jewelry brand by the name of Etica. This is the first piece that they sent me. It's a beautiful coin necklace. It's got those little rhinestone details at the top. It is so pretty. I'm so into these necklaces at the moment that are perfect for just layering, and Etica has so many pieces like that. I did the links down below for some of these pieces that can be purchased. Grab this either on their website or they're sold on Nordstrom as well, so definitely check them out. Oh my God, you guys, it's so hot in this room. My makeup is melted off by the end of this video. You'll know why. I'll open up the second one. I believe this is a pair of earrings. Comes in this little plastic packaging. They all come with these little active cases that you can store the pieces in if you want to, which I think is a nice touch, right? And so I'll scoot closer so you guys can see these. Like also sort of these little coin earrings. Very cool. Coin stuff in general is so huge right now as far as jewelry trends go, and I, for one, am here for it. I love it. I have so much stuff like this, but it's never enough. Thank you everyone at Etica for always spoiling me with the jewelry. Okay. We have more jewelry. This is from Sugarfix, which I'm sure some of you guys are familiar with. That is BaubleBar's brand for Target. I get to pick a couple pieces every month. So this month I chose these earrings, which are basically like little hoop earrings. How cute is that? Honestly, I saw some just like this at Madewell that were just like way more expensive than these. I'm pretty sure it doesn't have the price tag on these, but the Sugarfix by BaubleBar, the earrings always run around like $9 to $12, just depending on the earring. So they're super affordable, cute earrings and jewelry that they make. I don't know why I said earrings twice. They make all other kinds of jewelry too, but I always love their earrings. But then the second pair that I got are these little pink mauve-y sort of circle earrings. These are so adorable. I love the color of them. It's like a very unique color pink. The camera's not really doing it justice because it's like kind of a bright lighting, but I'm excited to wear these. And I think I'm going to be shooting in them by the time I post this video, so I'll insert a photo of them on here. So cute. Love them. All right, next I got a fun box from Sally Hansen. They send me some new products every now and again, and this time they sent me a box full of really fun Insta Dry matte colors. They seem to be all kind of like sparkly colors. You guys can see. Comes with Hard as Nails nail serum, and then it also comes with a base coat spray on No More Stains. What is that? This is like a base coat that helps protect against stains, maybe from like certain color nail polishes. I don't know. I don't really wear nail polish too much on my fingers anymore. I pretty much always do gels, but yeah, I'm excited to maybe try these out on my toes a little bit. The next one is from Nubian Heritage, and I had never heard of this brand before, but I'm gonna just read out of the box. Oh, ooh, they gave me a card. I love when they write me a card. Hi Jessica, you don't need to be headed to Woodstock to celebrate festival season. This selection of Nubian Heritage will give you festival vibes. Enjoy. Immediately just opening this box, like the smell of these products is greeting me, and it is so nice. These are natural, certified, organic, and fair trade ingredients in their products, which is awesome. And I guess this brand has been around since 1992. And it is the brainchild of two New York street vendors who embarked on a mission to bring the healing traditions of African black soap and shea butter to the community we love. Very cool. We mix global healing traditions into modern wellness solutions. We bring together traditional healing practices, cultural wisdom, and indigenous ingredients, remix them, and create modern natural solutions for skin and hair. This is our mission to make cultural exchange the model for transforming the global community. Very cool. So this is the inside of the box. All kinds of awesome goodies in there. That's what I was reading from. We have an Indian hemp and Haitian vetiver hand and body scrub. So sent Indian hemp and Haitian vetiver body wash, which is softening and moisturizing. Indian hemp and Haitian vetiver 24-hour deodorant. So definitely excited to try this, because if it's all natural, then that's cool, because I'm always searching for a good natural deodorant that actually works. Anyone else have that issue? If you know of a good natural deodorant that literally does its job, please tell me in the comments below. I will be forever grateful to you. Then they also have patchouli and buriti scented things. So they sent me a body lotion of that scent. And then they also, from the same scent, sent me another hand and body scrub. Some incense, patchouli, and the little incense burning stand that you need, which I used to have one, and somewhere along the line I lost it. So thank you so much. I miss burning incense. So stoked for this. Kind of a big one. Okay, this is extra. You guys, it's a freaking toolkit. This is from Clairol. So this is their Root Touch Up Color Blending Gel. So full disclosure, I am probably 40% gray haired at this point in my life. It's pretty sad. I started finding gray hair since I was 16. So because my hair grows pretty fast, I have to get my roots done often. And I just sometimes don't like have the money to go get my hair done every month, but it really shows. Like the difference between my gray hair and my brunette hair is very stark, and it's very noticeable. So I've been wanting to try these Root Touch Up products, because they're supposed to last you, they're semi-permanent, and they're supposed to last like 10 shampoos or something crazy like that. So this is going to be a great way for me to sort of extend the life of my color between visits, so that I don't have to go like maybe every month to get my hair dyed and spend all my coins. This is probably the color I would use. This is the dark brown. It says it's a gentle formula with no ammonia, peroxide, or harsh scents. The color gradually fades with washing. No mixing, no mess, no damage. Perfect for brushing away first grays, blending grays around the temples and your part line. It has a simple, no mess application, and it has no harsh root line. I might do a video later when my grays grow in, because I just had my friend do my hair. So maybe in like a month or so, I'm going to try this out. And if you guys are interested in a video or review of this stuff, let me know down below as well. And I will film that for you guys. It is from Revlon. It says, pucker up to new shades. The Revlon Super Lustrous Gloss. Inside this box, we have this awesome makeup bag. It's got lips on it. Oh my God. It's like full of lip glosses. So this is what I am going to be giving away to you guys. I want to win a makeup bag full of Revlon lip glosses, and let me see if I can actually hold them all in one hand. I don't know if no, I won't be able to. Like, here's a couple shades. There's these shades, these as well. Total of 14 Revlon lip glosses in all kinds of colors. So if you guys want to win this, here's how you do it. First of all, you need to subscribe to my channel. Second of all, you need to comment down below what your favorite color lip gloss is to wear. That way I know in the comment section those people are my entrants for the giveaway. So please answer that question specifically. Third, follow me on Instagram. So make sure when you follow me on Instagram, you also leave me a comment on my latest post, whichever one that is, and let me know that you found me from YouTube. Follow me on YouTube, leave a comment on this video, tell me your favorite color lip gloss that you like to wear. Then go follow me on Instagram and comment on whatever my latest photo is and tell me that you came over from YouTube. And I will enter you into this contest, and I will run it for 1 week from today. And in the next video, I will announce. Go ahead and enter. You want to win a bunch of lip glosses. Good luck. Also got a bit of clothing this week. This is from a brand called Tulum. So they have this really cute summery type things. This blouse is so pretty. Hard to see the details in this light, but super pretty embroidery. It got these little tassels right here that you can pull, probably the top a little bit more fitted to you. Also, they sent me this really cute little strapless romper. How adorable is that? I need to be wearing this today. It is way too hot. I think I have I think I have finished my unboxing for this week's press packages. This is the first video I've done like this. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to let me know if you want to see more of them. Be sure to enter that Revlon lip gloss giveaway, because you will have enough lip gloss for the rest of your life if you win. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Please let me know that this was something that you want to see in the future. It's hot in here. I'm going to turn the AC back on. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye!